Hey guys, Miss Fulton here. I would like to review our Fundations vowel teams today. Remember, we will spell it, we will say it, and then we will sound it out. Let's get started. Please repeat after me. A-I bait A. A-Y play A. E-I-G-H 8 A. E-I vein A. E-A steak A. E-E jeep E. E-Y key E. I-E piece E. E-I ceiling E. E-A eat E. E-A bread E. I-G-H light I. O-A boat O. O-E toe O. O-W snow O. O-W plow ow. O-U trout ow. O-U soup oo. U-I suit oo. U-E blue oo. U-E rescue you. E-W chew oo. O-O school oo. O-O book O-I coin oi. O-Y boy oi. A-U August ah. A-W saw ah. Awesome job, guys. Keep up the great work.